nice serene, so the water is a little bit cleaner, not that muddy. Well, and of course with this mud is two sides. It could be mud, which is good. It could be also the garbage from the hillside, which is bad. Well, I'm not against anything which is natural. And the mud actually is very helpful and good. We take the mud baths. Pay for that big money. Well, here we have Verna Beach. Oh, beautiful day. High tide. Beetle and surf. Yeah. What you're selling today?
Bye-bye. You
Very
like
good.
this? No?
I like greens. I like everything which is healthy. Very good.
Very good. Oh, very good.
Anyway, I'm back in the market. I hope to get a little bit labong. A little bit fast food. Oh, look.
Hey.
Well, let me see. We have today Ramon. Yeah, very cool. You have labong, beautiful labong. Well, for me, there's only one worry. The labong is not here every day. You see, and I can't keep it like for the next day. Maybe in the freezer you can keep it, but. Beautiful baggy. Well, happy me. I get my bamboo shoots. And now I'm gonna go and check a little bit. Yeah, maybe maybe we have good guiabanos. Well, they are very good, but you see, they are not ripe enough. I'm looking something which is good for today, maybe. Let me see. Take those two. Yep. You see. Beautiful guiabanos. Let me see, let me check what else we have here. Well, yeah, as always. Very typical scene. What about your favorite one?
Asian mango.
Indian mango.
Oh, Asian mango.
Indian mango is very sweet one, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah. My favorite one is Pakistani mango. Pakistani, yeah, Pakistani mango. I've been trying the Pakistan mango, in my opinion. Well, they're very close to India. Indian and Pakistan is very close, but they have exquisite taste. In Pakistan, if I don't make a mistake, they have around 50 different kind of varieties of the mangoes. And Pakistani mango is beautiful. So friends in Pakistan, your mangoes is one of the best in the world. Fruits and veggies. Hello guys.
Hi!
How's it going? It's going good?
Yeah!
Wish you good customers, to reach one.
He's playing Mobile Legends.
Mobile Legends. Okay, YouTube is gonna be daily HG.
Daily?
So one more happy subscriber.
Yeah. 1K subscriber.
Okay, thank you. So one more subscriber. That's good. Oh, yeah, beautiful day. Some days are more energetic, some days are less energetic. And of course, if you eat healthy, you feel more energetic. Some days you feel like a little bit, well, you're drained of energy. And of course, if you kind of try to eat healthy, sometimes you can be low in energy. But that's not a big problem, because if you know how to treat your body, in those days you're going to be always winning. What you should do in those days, you go by bamboo shoots, by something which isn't too much carb rich. Could be greens, veggies, and in my opinion, like for example, now the bamboo shoots are in season. This is one of the best foods. you feel saturated, and also you feel like enough supply of energy. But if you're gonna go on such days by too much carbs, you're gonna damage your body, you're gonna damage your endocrine system. As tempting they look like, you see we have a beautiful dragon fruit, bananas, papaya. I will say stay away from them. Get them a little bit in small dosages and try to figure out something organic, maybe avocados, bamboo shoots which we have now, or maybe something else which is gonna give you a feeling of the situation. But at the same time not gonna lift up your sugar and not gonna spike you up and then not gonna drop you down, which is very important. You need to have like foods which keeps you always in a very stable position. Now it's fruit season and it's gonna be even more in August. If I will be lucky, I will gonna be able to go maybe to Davao and check the capital of the fruits of Philippines. And typically in August they have a durian festival. I'm not sure about this year, but we're gonna see. Well, as for now, I have my beautiful sack with labong and guyabano, and I guess that's it for me today in the market.
Ilan na yung kada eh? Yung...
Nawag na ko sa inyo.
See another beautiful but kind of a little cloudy day. We're gonna try to go see the beautiful ridge, beautiful views from the mountains. Very difficult to say what's gonna happen with the weather. Could be rain, maybe no. Now it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, we're gonna see. I think it's always a little bit cloudy in the morning, then it gets a little bit brighter around 11, and then it gets rainy around 2 o'clock. Well, for the moment, some spots are kind of decent, some spots are a little bit cloudy. But it is rainy season, you never know, you can't plan exactly the trips. But otherwise it could be like this, you gotta go in the morning. So maybe you're gonna get dry half day. That's a beautiful view here in Cagayan from this hillside. And it's an ultra wind resort up on the hill. The beautiful view of the city. Yeah, views in and out, that's the value. So many small beautiful hillsides. Full respect to the bikers. Just love this idea that you go with the bike, you exercise, you get good form, and same time it's so much better if you're gonna go by bicycle. You hear more nature, you're closer to the nature, beautiful nature around, you're gonna be present. So I just love the biking, pedal biking, new developments. My opinion is not the best quality and overpriced. The price should represent the ability to sell this thing in a secondary market. If you buy it today, if you want to sell next year, it should be the same price, a little bit more. Here it doesn't happen, so it's overpriced. And also the salaries here are not that high. So for me, obviously, the real estate bubble in Philippines is present. So prices should be adjusted to the real situation. Salary level of 10,000 pesos approximately, 10-15 maybe. and should be strong secondary market. If you can't sell your house which you bought this year, if you can't sell it next year for the same price, well, that means it's overpriced. Otherwise, it's not good buy, not good investment. And a good investment is, of course, approximately 6 to 7% earnings yearly. One more major consideration is real estate rental ability and the price for that. So you should get back your investment in approximately 12 to 15 years. That's normal. Then it's good. 6, 7 is very good. If it's longer than 15 years, so that means it's also overpriced. There's a better options around the world. Where markets are stronger, economy is stronger, and real estate secondary market is also stronger, which is very important. Let's take in New York. It's a very stable place. The price of real estate is very stable, and it's going to be very stable as long as the foreseeable future, because we have very strong industries in Europe. We build airplanes, the cars, medicine, like you mentioned, what? We produce everything. So our economies and our markets is very strong. At the same time, the growth is not so high also, because it's very stable. For the speculative reasons, yeah, you can go for the growing markets. Well, we see the beautiful views, puffy clouds on the hillsides. We're going to see what's going to happen in a few hours. Oh yeah, the place like this, there's beautiful views around, very close proximity to the city. Well, I guess if you're a local person, it's good to kind of consider also as a living place. 10-15 kilometers from the city, and you already see the small villages and hopefully a local produce, the fruits, veggies. That's the place where you can source your healthy food. Very typical scene here in the Philippines. Big hall, which could be like a gathering place, and a basketball hall. In different places around the Philippines, you're going to see infrastructural development, which is a very good sign. The roads, bridges, so necessary in the Philippines. And after roads and the bridges, the most important thing is, of course, high-speed internet. So this is a lifeline, this is a business line. Everything now is internet. Any season, water is muddy. Beautiful cornfields. Well, let me see, do we have some hope? We have a little bit hope over there. But here, yeah, that's the region. Well, never know. Today's kind of still, there's not so strong wind. So, difficult to say, really. We're gonna see. Well, I need to plan my future trips, and I need to understand if I drive out early in the morning, maybe something around 7. So probably I'll have some 5 hours without the rain. But afternoon it's like 98% of the days it rains after 2-3 o'clock. So here we see the budget development. That's around 300-400 pesos housing projects. In my opinion, a little bit too busy. A little bit too busy. And the people are not going to be choosing these houses only. It's because of the reason it's too busy. Even if it's cheap, it's always going to be half empty. I wouldn't say that this is kind of smart development and sustainable development. It's in the core is wrong approach. But yeah, let me see this beautiful view. As for the views, yeah, they are great. But of course, the views is one thing, you know, the infrastructure should be much more better. It's not just sustainable, it's not livable. And Well, in order to get more profits, of course, I understand it should be closer and closer. But I haven't seen any successful ugly project around the world. They always suffer. And if there's somebody gonna buy this real estate only because of the price, in the end of the day, it's gonna lose because the price is not gonna go up. And if it's gonna go up, it's gonna be negligible, very low, because it's always gonna be some few free units. There is no kind of attraction to that. There is no scarcity, which is always driving the price up. Not maybe like a scarcity, but a limited edition, I will say. It's abundant, primitive, poor quality. Well, yeah. Well, a little bit sad to see such developments, and I don't see any value in that. Yeah. Something more or less. Would I participate in projects like this? Well, no. There's no point. There's no fundamental value, apart of the beautiful views, of course, which are gonna help on the road. But in general, yeah. Only thing which can help to this project to kind of thrive, it's a very good management system. Like no roosters, no stray dogs, no dogs on the leash, no overbuilding, and so other improving regulations which can keep this community in good shape. But if it's gonna be gypsy style, then it could be even could be very ugly. So the management gonna be distinguishing point for this project. Welcome. Well, that's a beautiful place for the port. Beautiful hillsides. Yeah, peaceful, clean air, as always. Mountain views, hillside views, it's such a bless after the city grind. Well, yeah, always views attract people. See those small settlements on the hillsides. This makes life quality much more higher, undoubtedly. See, the road is washed out. Enjoy this beautiful place, enjoy this beautiful view. And that's the value of Cagayan actually. It's so many beautiful hillsides. You can take the bikey, 15-20 minutes, you can be in a beautiful hillside with the views like this. Yeah, beautiful views. Also some smaller and bigger waterfalls. We'll see here. Cagayan is rich with the decent entertainment for the tourist. Many places you're gonna be able to go and spend a decent day with a close proximity to the nature, so you can enjoy this fresh breeze, beautiful views. And also, if you're curious, you're gonna maybe will be able to find a local producer of some kind of a local healthy food. This could be some avocado, maybe mango tree. Yeah, fresh breeze, such a value. And it's also getting more and more industrialized. So you see, it's the small road is building up there. So it's gonna be hiking, trekking, walking path. Well, and of course, so many small businesses in this region. We have a campground over there and beautiful spots, view spots over here.
Standing, I go and I am the shores it falls to right. All is no longer blacked out and gone tonight. Sailing past breakers, I won't be back in time. Falling asleep at the wheel, gonna be just fine. We are not alone. No, I've seen the shadows on the stones, creeping out from the sun that splits the night. I'm breaking at your love. All that I've come to know, gone and cross it out. Sunrise somewhere, bleeding colors that won't go out. All is no longer blacked out and gone tonight. Sailing past breakers, I won't be back in time.
Steep hillside. Well, that's very honorable. That's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge amount of work to build the roads here and maintain them. Also, I see the guys using the concrete which they're mixing by themselves, and this concrete is very weak. The concrete is kind of weak, and so this all work which is put in here in place, it's kind of yeah, it's not gonna last for long. The rains here are frequent in the rainy season each year. It's no difference. Could be a little bit more or less, but gonna be same picture. So I guess maintenance of the roads here is a challenging thing. Requires huge amount of the work and the money, of course. Well, guys, another beautiful spot. What about clouds? Well, they're coming. I guess in a few hours they're gonna be here. So I'm gonna be going fast back home, maybe 1 hour more. Now it's around 11, 12, around 1. I should be back at home because around 2 o'clock it's beginning to rain. And today is kind of cloudy day. It could be even faster. My trustful little bikey. So many places we have been traveling with him. Luzon, all Manila region, Mindoro, Marinduque, Cebu, Malapascua. No, in Malapascua was living in the port. Bantayan Island, Siquijor, Negros, and now Mindanao, like nearly all Philippines. Trustful little horse. Beautiful countryside. That's danger zone, probably because of the floods. The small beautiful view. A typical view here in Cagayan de Oro is going to be like this. Hillsides, some small rivers, and everything covered with the greenery. Check this beautiful lavish greenery. Like each side is gonna be something beautiful. But most of all, it's the pure clean nature. And we came down all the way this small road you see here. Let's go and check some other place for beautiful views. This could be a very interesting place to see also. Very nice viewpoint on the hill. Well, there's always complicated things gonna lead you to some kind of good quality. Like, we like the complicated fonts, yeah? Quality ones. So all that's the same thing. You go different complicated routes, so you're gonna have beautiful views. Well, you can see the curves of the river, so you can understand where it is. Compare in the Google Maps and you will be able to find this place. Well, goodbye, beautiful place. See you another time. As we see, clouds are coming over. Now it's 12 o'clock, so 1 hour to go back home. And that's each day approximately like this. Could be a little bit later, could be a little bit faster, but approximately like that. Well, you see, that's the travel now. Very difficult to plan the travels. Yeah, but maybe if you're gonna go in the morning early, you can manage half of the day. But then absolutely necessary to have a kind of backup plan if there's gonna be heavy rain. What you're gonna do? Where are you gonna go? Because sometimes rain comes and goes away, and sometimes it kind of rains little by little all day. So you need to be prepared for that. For me, 26 minutes back home, 11 kilometers. Well, let's go back home. Yeah, it's coming. And coming quite fast, as you see. Looks like more or less, but half hour is gonna be rain already. Banana. I'm looking for the corn. Rambutan everywhere, it's season. Well, I like the cities, like advanced cities, like Dubai. European cities are great. But small cities, like provincial, nothing much to kind of enjoy. Cities are great when the infrastructure is in place. The buses, we have a tram, subways, and such things. And if there is traffic jams and not very good paved roads, well, then it's not that pleasant to travel. See the Boku. Boku is going for the market.